You can expect a lot from the 2016 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.